Yay!
Today's amusement day.
Let's go!
Give me our tickets.
One last ride, then we will go home.
Okay, but last ride would be my choice. Look, I want to try this ride. Mommy, please, can we try this ride? I want to try it.
Okay, let me take the ticket. Hello?
Mom, when this ride will be over?
Oh, now you're scared, Kitty.
No, I'm not. I thought you're scared.
Mommy, help me.
Come on, hold my hand. Don't worry, I'm with you. No, it's all right. You're okay. Don't cry, Kitty.
Mommy, you saved me, thanks.
Don't be silly, Kitty. I'm your mother. Don't thanks me.